Okay, you're gonna have to mark this one on your calendar because it's actually a rainy day and those are like the ground's almost wet. Look at this. The ground. See that? It's almost wet. What can I say? The ground doesn't know how to accept the water either. Yeah. Take a walk out here. See if anything is here anymore. My old haunt. Yeah. I have an old haunt. This is one of them. Yeah. Back in my day, we used shotguns and went after birds. Yeah. Yeah. Well, hell, no wonder fine folks that have been playing the game don't bother to cover it up anymore. What the hey? There. That's the way it needs to be left. Covered up. Just put enough stuff on it so that it's totally covered up underneath that board. If this is a paintball game place, they don't have very many shooters around here. But I only see one kind of washed out spot of blue. Yeah. Okay. Whoa, here we go. That'd be the trail over there. See it? Yeah. The bones of the dead out here. Another one out here somewhere that I haven't found. It's not mine. I don't know whether I put it in my GPS or not. I know it's not far away. Yeah, back at the rig. Nice travel bug rig. Y'all. Look me up. Find my travel bugs. I think. Yeah, I don't know, you're gonna read it, but that's it.